Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and learn with Gafar YouTube video.
So here we go, how we want to change the roll or paper. We will open it from here. We will take it out this. We will put another paper here. So we're gonna put another roll here. We will bring some paper outside and then we will close it. So it has been done. Now what we have to do, we want to get reconciliation, موازنة. We will enter the code, we will enter in merchant, عمليات التاجر, then موازنة, reconciliation we will press. Then we will press our code, enter our code, and here we go. So another reconciliation will come now. Here comes the reconciliation and you will print it. Now if you want duplicate reconciliation, you will go here in the history. In history, مشاهدة الموازنة, it's duplicate reconciliation, and you will print today's reconciliation here. If you see, it will come all here. If you want duplicate receipt, نسخة, you will go to the duplicate. Here's the last receipt, so we will print it. If you want to print snapshot, then you have to press here snapshot total, and here it will come. If you want to see running total, how much is the sale now, till now through the Jeidia point of sale, you have to go to the running total, and then here you go. If you want sales by date or previous days, so you will go to the history menu, عمليات السابقة, تبع المختصرة, brief history. Then you will enter your code, brief history by date, مختصر بالتاريخ, and here you go. You will enter date, any date you want. Previous dates you can go and any date. I will press OK, approve, and it will show me the respective date sales. If you want to search by record, بحث عن العمليات, you have to press here. Then for example you will press the record which you want, and then you will press OK, and then you can print. If you want to search received by amount, بحث بالمبلغ, here you will go, you will enter the amount. For example, I will enter 428 amount. Okay, this is the last sales of the 428 amount. You will press enter and it will come. If you want to see history, then you can go here and then you can swap, and whichever receipt you want you can print from here. You will press the print and it will print it for you. If you want to search by approval code, which shows here approval code, this one 005591 005591. So we will go here, search by authorization, we will turn it into the numerical, and then 005591. So here it was رمز الموافقة approval code. So we will press OK, and here we go. Here's the receipt. You can print the receipt if you want. If you want to change the timing for the reconciliation, which comes itself, in which point of sale print the reconciliation itself, you can set it from here. ظبط وقت الموازنة، بطلع الموازنة توقيت هنا. go here adjust time، غيار الوقت. مثلا الحين الساعة 8:10 دقائق بالليل، 10 past 20, 10 past 8 p.m. So if I want to change it to the 4 a.m. I will change it to the 4 a.m. So I will press OK, and here it is. So I have changed the timing to the 4 a.m. How we want to get paper? So we can make call to the Jeidia company, then otherwise we can request paper from here also. طلب ورقة، paper request, yes. enter your mobile number، رقم جوالك دخل هنا. So here we go, it has been done. Paper request is submitted successfully. If you want to make purchase عملية شراء, you will go here. For example, you will enter 500. So, and then you will press OK. If you have card, you will enter here. If you have Wi-Fi, you will enter here. Okay, now thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, any queries, you can send me comments or inbox me. I will provide my all contacts, descriptions, everything in the description. Thank you so much.